Hey folks, so something a little bit different today. I just thought I would show you how to mount an action camera on either a bicycle or a motorcycle. As you can see, I've got something new in the background. More about that later. But I'll put some links in the description below for the equipment I used, and just so you can see what it is before it's on the bike. This is the actual mount. This is like standard, it's an Osmo Action, but it's a standard GoPro affair. So this is the parts I need. You'll need the actual clamp itself, which has a 1/4" thread on, and then you'll need a GoPro with a 1/4" socket to screw onto that thread. I would recommend getting like a sort of wrist strap so that you can actually have a safety strap in case it comes loose. It'll just then hang off the handlebar, and then you simply mount it on, tighten it up, and just position it. It's a universal jointed mount, this, so it's pretty flexible in how it can be moved and set up, and it's as simple as that. Then obviously switch the camera on and make sure you've got everything leveled up.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really